Hey guys, welcome back to DellVlogger124. Today we're going to be building a Intel NUC mini server. So this server is going to be serving two purposes. One, it's going to be a file server and a home media server. And the reason why I'm switching to, the reason why I'm building this server is because of Western Digital. They have been emailing me to upgrade the firmware to WD MyCloud OS 4, which I have already upgraded the firmware to WD MyCloud OS 4, and it's giving me a lot of problems. I mean a lot. Like, the user accounts have been corrupted completely, half of data's lost, and yeah. So I'm just getting really angry at them for, screwing up with WD MyCloud OS 4. So, from their base WD MyCloud, which was a 4TB Western Digital MyCloud, just like a 1-bay drive thing, I'm going to be switching from that to this, which is my own. Hey guys, sorry about that. My memory card decided to be full all of a sudden. So, what I was going to say is that I'm switching over to my own home server solution with this Intel NUC, this Samsung 870 QVO 4TB drive, 12GB of Crucial DDR4 RAM, the SODIMM versions that fit into laptops and stuff, and then this Crucial P2 SSD. So let's get straight to opening all of this up, where I'm only going to open up one of the SSDs since I'm going to be putting Windows on here, and then I don't want to get confused with me putting it onto the wrong SSD and stuff. So, first of all, we'll open up the Intel NUC here, which I've already lifted the box lid open. So, this tiny thing has a Core i5 11th gen in it, which is a really good thing. So, 11th gen Core i5, no, I'm pretty sure I said Core i7, but this has a Core i5 in it. It's a Core i5 variant. And then down here is power supply stuff and screws and a VESA mounting plate for this thing, which is right here. This hasn't changed much from the other power supplies and stuff. And then down here is a power supply right here. And yeah, I'm pretty sure it didn't come with a lead to hook it onto the power thing. No, it didn't, so that's why I have this thing right here, which is a 1-meter Dynamax cable for the Intel NUC. And yeah, this thing and screws for hard drives and stuff are right here. So next, what we'll do is we'll only open up one of the sticks, which is an 8GB Crucial. So I can just show you guys what they look like. So, trying to be a bit careful here. That's what they look like down there. I'm actually going to seal this back up since I'm afraid I'm going to drop it before I even put it into the thing. And this is the Crucial P2. So, I'm just going to peel off back the little pieces of tape that they put on here, which is really strong. Probably should have bought a knife or scissors or something. Yeah.
Subscribe! Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Vlogger 124.
So, yeah. And then what we have here is the Crucial P2 SSD right here. This is the Crucial P2 SSD that we're going to be putting into the NUC. And then that's basically all of it. And then I'm actually probably going to switch you guys to an alternate angle so you can put all this stuff in to the thing here. So we're not going to open this up, we're going to open this up next video, which is the software video, which I'll put like Windows and stuff onto this computer, since this video will be way too long if we split, if it was one whole video, since I've got like a bunch of things planned for the software side of things. So yeah, that's not the end of this video. We're still gonna build this NUC here. And yeah, I'll stop the video and switch you guys to an alternate angle now. Hey guys, so I've switched you guys to an alternate angle now. I'm just gonna unscrew the bottom screws here, so we can put all the stuff in. They say you should be grounded to like an unpainted metal surface, but I don't have any metal surfaces. I just realized I can just untighten these screws by hand. So I will do that instead. Okay. Those two, that one decides to be a little bit feisty. So let's untighten all of these screws here, and then what we'll do is I'll put in the SSD first. Get the most nerve-wracking step out of the way, since I'm not that confident with putting in an M.2 SSD. And so let's that rest. I don't know where the that's where the M.2 slot is. So I'll just unscrew that screw right there. I can't hold my grip with the screwdriver. I'm actually gonna get another screwdriver which I can hold my grip a bit better. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back with another screwdriver here. So let's do this. And that's our screw for the M.2. Actually, I'm just gonna wipe my hands so I don't get all my greasy hands over this. SSD. So now I will actually rotate the NUC and just wipe my hand again. And now I will carefully put in the M.2, and then I'll just leave that hanging for now. Let me just put the tipped screw back on. Okay, seems to have gotten a good fit here. There's my sweaty hands. Let's see if I can just put this screw down there. Actually, I'm going to take the M.2 out, put it on the table, and I'll actually I'll do this M.2 stuff off camera now, since I'll have to figure out how to get it back in. Hey guys, so I finally managed to get the M.2 drive in, so all the pins are touching and stuff. So we'll actually put it in the 8GB stick first for the RAM. Okay, and then I know how to insert RAM. Clear up thing the tabs first a little. I'll do the bottom slot first. So that's the 8 gigabytes done, and now we'll put in the 4 gigabytes stick. And now I'll take you guys over to the garage to test if this thing works and boots. But that'll be a real shocker if this thing I can get it to turn on. Be really good if I can. But yeah, hopefully I've done everything correctly, and then we can just take it to the garage. So I'll screw everything back up now off camera, and then I'll take you guys over to the garage. Hey guys, so I tried some stuff off camera. The NUC didn't want to boot, so I'm creating an entirely new USB with Windows on it. Instead, I usually use a multi-booter on my flash drives, which boots like multiple operating systems from one drive. So that did not want to work, so I'm creating a just Windows installation drive, so it's doing that now. And I'll start the video again once it finishes, and then we can plug it into the Intel NUC and see if it'll boot and detect the M.2 drive that's in there. Hey guys, so my flash drive is done with Windows being installed onto flash drive. So what I'm going to do now is I'll bring the NUC over again and see if it'll boot to Windows from there, and then we'll install Windows next video in part 2 of this video. So yeah, I'll just bring the NUC over and turn it on once and show you guys what its thing looks like and stuff. Hey guys, so I booted the NUC up. This is the NUC right here, fully booted, and the drive, the 500 gig drive is detected, which is great. So I will install Windows on it next video. So yeah, this is the end of this video, but before I end it off, I'm just going to shut down the NUC, and then I want to shut it down. So what I'll do is I'll quit the installation. And yes, I will remove my flash drive. Should reboot. I'm just going to spam F10. Boot into the BIOS now. So I'll give you guys a tour of the BIOS. It's probably now booting the BIOS. Please select boot device. ESC to use enter to select up down to move. It won't take me to the BIOS. So yeah, it won't take us to the BIOS now, but after Windows is installed, I'll give you guys a tour of the BIOS. So this is it for this video.